back to my YouTube channel. I am Cathy Dordines for those that don't know me, and if you're a return subscriber, I love that for you and I love that for me. Anyway, so today's video is all about natural hair, a silk press done at home. You do not need to go to a hair studio, guys. You can do it like this, do it like me, you know what I mean? Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. First, we're gonna start with a Brazilian keratin treatment. This is the first time I'm using this. This was a collab, so pray for me, guys. But honestly, the results will speak for itself. It was really good. It comes with some instructions. It comes with step 1, which is the shampoo, step 2, the treatment, and step 3, the hair mask. So first, we're gonna wash my hair. Alright, so obviously I did this off camera. So now that my hair is fully washed, you see how my curls are super tight. So that was the first step. We did the shampoo. Now I'm going to blow dry my hair because it tells you in the instruction to have your hair 85% dry. So guys, I am OCD when it comes to protective hairspray, so please put some protective hairspray before you use any type of heat on your hair. After I'm done blow drying my hair, it tells me to put my, once you're done that, it tells you to apply some cold air on your treatment. So this is what I'm doing right now, applying some cold air. You're just a bluff. Now that I'm done, I rinsed out the product and I put the hair mask that they tell you to put, and I left it on for 10 minutes. Although it says 5, I put it for 10 minutes. And guys, look at the difference. Look at the before and the after. It's crazy how it like really loosens your curls up, and I love it. I will definitely be using this treatment again and again, guys, because yo, it's a lifesaver. But yeah, anyways, again, OCD on the hairspray before you blow dry your hair again. This time around, I'm gonna use my comb blow dryer just to really get my hair very straight as possible. So the key to a silk press, guys, is honestly, if you don't do a good job at your blow drying, you will fail when you do the straightening part. I am telling you right now, if you're not doing it right the first step, you're not getting the second step right. So again, please take your time with this step. Do not rush it. This is an important step to getting your silk press. So however you decide to do it with excellence and do it with patience, and please dedicate some time for this part because it honestly takes a while to get a bone straight blow drying technique down. Alright, so now we move on to the hair straightener. Again, OCD on the protective hairspray. So for this part, guys, it's really important that you section your hair very small. So I'm taking very small section of my hair. I am putting the heat at the roots of my hair at least 2 to 4 times, depending on which part. Usually the bottom I do 2 passes, and in the middle I kind of do 4, but anyways. And I only use my comb, and then I pass the straightener through twice only. That will never change for me. I only do it twice just because you don't want to put too much heat. And if honestly, guys, if you did the blow drying part perfectly as you should, then 2 passes should be more than enough when you do your straightener. Another tip as well, when you want to do a silk press, I would suggest that you use your straightener at a 90-degree angle when you're straightening your hair, so that your hair goes down straight and not to the side and not in an angle, but really try to get it as 90-degree straight angle as much as possible, if you get what I mean. But yeah. Don't treat me like a stranger. You give me motivation, make my life vacation. When we are together, I surrender. Give you all my money, make you look so lovely. Alright, so now that we have our hair silk pressed, you can honestly leave it like this if you want to. I don't want to because I want to put some curls and some volume into it, so watch as I do that. But first, girl, we need to get my makeup on, sweetie, you know? So let's do this in 1, 2, 3, and yeah. Looking cute, Cathy, looking cute. Anyways. Alright, so as I said, I don't want to keep my hair bone straight. I want to add some volume, some texture to my hair. So what I'm going to do right now is curl my hair with the straightener. So again, I'm going to take my hair in like medium section, you know, not too much, not too low. So if you've never straightened your hair with a straightener like this before, this is such a good technique that I learned at hair school. So all you have to do is take your straightener, put your hair in between, flip it on the opposite side, and then just pull it hard and press on it hard. Like press on the straightener really tightly, hold the hair and just press on it as you go down, and you got your curls, girl. You got your curls. This is like the easiest way to curl your hair with a straightener, honestly. Guys, I got you. I got you. Anyways, so this section is gonna be pretty explanatory, so I'm just gonna let you vibe with the music, you know, vibe with the video, enjoy this part, okay guys? And I will catch you in a few minutes.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly, look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it, don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it, see how. Rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice, we time, you, I know how to make me feel right, I can't help how. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way, I'm pulling up, don't be late, I'm cutting through all the lanes, sweet talk, you need to say let's do, babe, don't need for no flowers, babe, I'm already on my way, why you blushing, yeah, sweet concussion, oh you miss my touching, good girl. Show me something, give me more than one thing, I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it, don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it, see how. Rewind, when we
And there you have it guys, a silk press, natural hair, no chemicals needed, no perm. This is literally all natural hair. So honestly, this was such a simple routine, guys. You can do it. If ever you need help, let me know down in the comments below. But yeah guys, like I'm so happy. Like this is my second silk press in a long time, so I think I did amazing, guys. Amazing. So if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more natural hair tutorial video, just honestly leave me a comment down below. I read all my comments, respond to all my comments, and I'll be so happy to do another video on natural hair. Yeah, I really love this look. I'm actually obsessed. But yeah, I feel like I look like a woman, you know what I mean? Anyways, thank you for watching this video, and I will see you next Sunday. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.